Welcome to the world of physics. By knowing physics, you are going to embark on an amazingly exciting journey into the world of surprises. The world of physics, an introduction to the field that continues to fascinate people in all walks of life. Physics has a certain reputation. Tell a friend or a family member that you are now studying physics that will quite likely impressing them in a way that most other subjects would not. Physics involves concepts, ideas, and principles expressed in ordinary words. Physics does make use of mathematics as a powerful language because many ideas in physics are best described by using math. But physics is much more than equations and numbers. Physics is about what happens in the world all around you. Physicists investigate objects as small as atoms and as large as galaxies. Why learn physics? Why should you study physics? There are both aesthetic and practical reasons for learning physics. Seeing the order that exists in nature, and it follows a relatively small number of rules, can be fascinating. Learning how sunlight and raindrops combine to make a rainbow will deepen your appreciation of its beauty. Physics, as you will find, deals with the way nature behaves, with what are called natural laws, from designing safe, efficient passengers jets to producing sophisticated, inexpensive computers. Engineers apply physics every day. Knowing the principles behind stereo speakers, aircraft altimeters, refrigerators, lasers, microwave ovens, guitars, and Polaroid sunglasses will give you a better appreciation of what they do. The goal of learning physics is to gain a better understanding of the universe and the things in it. What is physics? Physics is not as easy to define as some areas of science like biology, the study of living organisms. If you ask a dozen physicists to define the term, you are not likely to get two answers exactly alike. One suitable definition is that in physics we study matter and energy, forces and motion, particles and waves, space and time. In other words, physics is the study of the material world. It is a search for patterns, or rules, for the behavior of objects in the universe. This search covers the entire range of material objects, from the smallest known particles, millions of times smaller than a marble, to astronomical objects, millions of times bigger than our sun. The search also covers the entire span of time, from the primordial fireball to the ultimate fate of the universe. Within this vast realm of space and time, the searchers have one goal: to comprehend the course of events in the whole world, to create a worldview. Within physics, there is a wide range of divisions. There is a lot of overlap between the divisions, and some of them are clearly allied with other sciences like geology and chemistry. How is physics done? So how does one do physics or science in general? Physicists and other scientists are inquisitive people who look at the world around them with questioning eyes. Their observations lead them to search for the causes of what they see. A blueprint exists for scientific investigation that makes an interesting starting point for answering these questions. We should regard it as game plan that is quickly modified when the action starts. It is called scientific method. One nice thing about the scientific method is that it is a logical procedure that is practiced by nearly everyone from time to time. Here a question arises: does the outline of the scientific method appear in somehow to manual for scientific discovery? Are scientists required to take an oath to follow it faithfully every day at work? Of course not. One important: understanding how nature works based on what you do and observe is a great way to learn. Someone says, discoverers consist of seeing what everybody has seen, but thinking what nobody has thought. How one can learn physics? Just memorizing definitions and facts doesn't lead you to a real understanding of a subject. Words can only describe something. To understand a concept, you must go beyond word. For example, the simple definition, speed equal distance divided by time, does not really convey the conceptual understanding of speed that we have. That's why understanding the meaning of a term involves more than just memorizing the world and its definition, so you have to practice, try things, think of situations and how events would evolve, and so on. The process of learning physics has two main thrusts. You need to develop an understanding of different physical quantities used in each R, and you must grasp the significance of the law and principles that express the relationship among these physical quantities. Let us caution you again. Memorizing the definitions and law is only a first step that alone won't do it. See, do, think, interact, visualize. Get involved in physical world. That's how you learn physics. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. God bless you.